Can you imagine the devastation of losing your child to knife crime?
In the past few years, gang violence within the Somali community has increased.
Many young people, mostly boys, have been victims or perpetrators of knife crime.
This happens for many reasons. Perhaps they're looking for a sense of belonging.
Maybe other family members are involved in gangs.
Or they feel unsafe within the neighborhood and they feel like a knife will protect them.
But the reality of being in a gang is completely different.
14 young people have already been stabbed to death across the country since the beginning of 2017.
4 of which died in London only this month.
2 were Somali.
Now is the time
to question why.
These horrific killings affect our community.
Gacmo wadajir bay wax ku gooyaan.
As a community, we need to work together to make sure that we do not lose any more young people to gangs.
Don't wait for somebody else to fix this.
Let us all make sure another young man does not lose his life or become another statistic.
This has to stop.
Violence cannot be the answer.